Hello, Apple Valley. Mayor Scott Nassif here with a mayor's message. I hope you're all well and healthy. You may have seen the news already that your town council voted unanimously to support placing a 1% sales tax measure on the November 3rd, 2020 general election ballot for the voters to consider. Budget cuts alone will not close a widening deficit we face. The town has already made many cuts in salaries, benefits, and levels of service. Over the last few years, whether through attrition, retirement, or layoffs, the number of town employees has been reduced to the bare minimum. Town staff has worked hard, if not harder than any city around, and wear many hats to get the work done. They love their jobs and serve our community well. We cannot balance the budget on their backs any longer. To reduce our staff further would only cause to reduce our levels of public service. At the same time, cutting any more programs and services will fundamentally change the culture and lifestyle of Apple Valley, which has just been voted the best place to live in the desert for the 9th straight year. Due to the rising cost of law enforcement, estimated to climb nearly $1 million each year for the next several years, with the added impact of COVID on our businesses and tax revenues, we must either raise revenues or cut critical services such as police, road improvements, recreation, aquatics, concerts, events, the golf course, and more. We simply cannot pay for the services we provide today without enhanced revenues. If approved by the Apple Valley voters, the measure would generate approximately $7 million annually for the town's general fund, which is used to fund public safety and law enforcement officers, pay for road construction, improve parks and ball fields, host community events, concerts, and recreation programs, and provide reserves to be prepared for the future crisis or revenue impacts. This is not an easy option, but is a necessary one that is recognized by each of the 5 sitting council members. This will be the first time Apple Valley voters have considered a sales tax measure. The town has not raised taxes in 32 years of incorporation. The town of Apple Valley is committed to supporting our businesses with the tools they need to operate in a safe and temporary manner that helps all of us move closer to reopening. In addition to some of the local actions we've taken already, such as placing a moratorium on evictions, curbing hoarding of essential grocery items, opening opportunities for outdoor operations for restaurants, gyms, and salons, and creating an emergency rental assistance program, we will also be launching a COVID compliance business support program. This program will be led by both our economic development and code enforcement departments to visit businesses and educate them on the proper compliance with state orders. We want them to gain compliance and avoid state sanctions or fines. Over the coming weeks, please keep an eye out for our staff who will be sharing helpful resources with our businesses. These are difficult and confusing times. However, one thing is clear in the ongoing response to COVID. The sooner we flatten the curve, the faster we can reopen our community, society, and the economy. As a reminder, recommended ways to slow the spread include staying at home if you experience symptoms, maintaining physical distancing of at least 6 feet, wearing face coverings, washing your hands often, and sanitizing high contact surfaces. Stay safe, stay healthy, Apple Valley. Thank you.